If you have a house in Holland, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Holland, Ohio, and all over the whole Toledo area, and actually all over the whole state of Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Holland, Ohio, prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than marketing, listing, and selling their house with a realtor. So with us, people love working with us because we are going to keep it very easy. The way we're going to keep it easy is we're a true as-is buyer. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. We don't care if the house has been sitting vacant. We don't care if the house is rented out, or we don't care if the house doesn't really need that much work. It really doesn't matter. We will buy the house in any condition, in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything or anything like that. So what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition is we don't work with any mortgage companies or banks. This is key for you. Sometimes, most times, when you're working with a buyer that needs to qualify for a mortgage, the bank or the lender could completely blow your deal up and waste your time. They're going to send over formal inspectors, formal appraisals, and they can change the terms or pull the rug out from under this thing at any time, waste your time. But in real estate, you don't just waste time, you waste money. Because every day that goes by that they wasted your time, you also had to pay the insurance or the taxes. You had to, pay the utilities, and it could just be very costly to you. It is so much more beneficial to sell to a direct cash buyer like us, and we are going to keep it fair for you. We love Holland, Ohio, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. We're here in Ohio, been around a long time, and we have more references and testimonials than any other company. So if you have a house in Holland, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. It says Columbus in the website because we're founded and based in Columbus, but we buy houses all over the Toledo area, all over Holland, and we'd love the opportunity to speak with you as well. So when we get on the phone, it's easy. Just so you know, no sales tactics, no games, no pressure. Right? We're just going to understand more about when you're looking to sell. We just got to learn more about the house. We'll make you an offer. If it works for you, great. If not, no crime, no foul. We're not some call center that's reading a script here that's going to, try to act like we know what we're talking about or create pressure. No, we're either a fit for you or we're not. No big deal. And if you have a house in Holland, Ohio, it's worth it just to see what we could do. We'll have an offer for you over the phone. Give us a call today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.